Modular kitchen cabinet. What do you know about kitchen trend? Modular kitchens offer a wide variety of cabinet types and configurations to suit different design preferences and functional needs. Here are some common types of modular kitchen cabinets. For online kitchen designing, only waste app. Video information. Base cabinets. These cabinets sit on the floor and provide the foundation for the kitchen. They are typically used for storing pots, pans, and other larger kitchen items. Base cabinets come in various sizes and can include drawers, shelves, or pull-out trays. Drawer cabinets. These cabinets consist primarily of drawers, making them suitable for organizing utensils, cutlery, and kitchen accessories. Drawer cabinets come in various widths and heights. Sink cabinets. Sink cabinets are designed to accommodate the kitchen sink. They often have a cutout in the countertop for the sink installation and may include space for plumbing fixtures. Wall cabinets. Wall cabinets are mounted on the wall above the countertops and are used for storing dishes, glassware, and smaller kitchen items. They help maximize vertical space in the kitchen. Tall cabinets. Tall cabinets are floor-to-ceiling units that offer ample storage space for items such as brooms, mops, pantry items, and kitchen appliances like ovens and microwaves. They make efficient use of vertical space. Corner cabinets. These cabinets are designed to utilize the often underutilized corner spaces in kitchens. Common types of corner cabinets include lazy Susans, pull-out shelves, and diagonal cabinets that make it easier to access items stored in corners. Pantry cabinets. Pantry cabinets are designed for storing dry goods, canned items, and other kitchen staples. They can be standalone units or integrated into the kitchen design. https://youtube.com/@royalgypsum11. C =GKHSBGWT9 Jariog.